We keep on moving.
Oh, what's this guy screaming?
Hello, boss.
Hello. You stream on somewhere? Oh, poor him. He have a ear problem. So sad.
You want to go?
Go with my sister.
Oh, you want to go?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Hey, what time is it?
It's 7:16.
7:16.
Yes.
Oh, man.
Hello. How you doing?
Africa. Yeah.
ต้นไทยแลนด์
You.
ON
Don.
Thailand.
Islam.
So this is a Segloso.
เซเลโซ
Oh.
Yeah. Africa. Yeah, bye.
อันนี้ต้นเลย
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on?
No, not North Korea.
사우스 코리아 마이
Are
스트리머
you streaming?
스트리머
On where?
사우스 코리아 코리아 스트리머
Korean streamer?
Okay.
On what website?
웹사이트
Yeah.
히어 코리아
Name? Korea.
네임
Okay.
G드래곤
Oh,
G-Dragon.
I don't know how to spell
G-Dragon.
it.
meet you.
God 7. God 7.
Nice to meet you too. I'm from Thailand.
타일랜드
And I'm on YouTube.
유튜브
Yeah.
YouTube, yes.
가나 그리고 타일랜드
Yes, I'm from Thailand. How you doing?
Ghana, Kofi Afric.
And you from
나이스
South
Korea. South
아,
Korea.
진짜로
Hello. You live in Pattaya,
노노노 그렇게
Phuket.
그렇게
How long are you gonna stay here? Okay.
That market. We need to know the name of the market. What is the name of the market over there? No, Talat Noon. Two. Talat. Talat Soy Wakao. Talat Soy Wakao. Okay, thank you.
It's a dog.
Baby dog.
Oh,
Are
dog
you going
fight.
to fight?
Dog fight.
You want to fight?
ตัวนี้แม่เนี่ย
Hey, you want to fight? Can you fight?
Oh, fighting.
See the small dog. The baby dog. The puppy.
Where's your bike?
Let's call it a day.
Okay.
Tomorrow is another day.
Indeed, chat. Hi.
ย่าไหนโอ้โหผมอยู่ไหน I put where is your home?
พัทยา
Where?
You are blogger เหรอ
He's a YouTuber. Famous.
Oh, not too much.
ฮะ
Line.
ไลน์
Yeah,
อ๋อ
we talk. Okay. Now curfew. You have to go home fast. Okay?
โอเค
No police case.
So, what is your Instagram?
P
Don't go.
I know
Yellow hair.
I have shop massage เนี่ยก็ไผ่
Okay, we talk later. Okay.
Go Pai, okay.
Wow, nice girl.
Nice to
Yellow
meet you,
girl. I call it yellow girl. Okay.
Bye bye.
When we work together, we meet nice people, right? You want me to drop you somewhere?
Well, I'm just gonna go see my friend over there.
Okay. I would like to know how to stop wind from going inside the phone. You know, when you film, especially around the beach, you hear sound. Or if I plug something in here, it will stop that, right? It's really annoying, you know.
Yeah, the sound, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I know how you feel.
Yeah. They sell something that can stop it, you know. There is something that you can buy, and when you buy it, you fix it to the phone and you will not get that wind.
Have a nice day. I mean, night.
Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna do a condominium review. Hello, girl.
Hi, how you doing? What's up?
Oh, where are you going? I know.
Good for it.
You don't want to be touched. Oh. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Understand. Oh, the light just turned on me. Still here? Not finished?
Yeah, she's still do. Hi. She's still doing. Not finished yet.
You're not doing any tattoo
I do. After she finished, I do all around my ankle.
on your ankle?
Yes.
Why not your face?
No.
Write the word Twitch on the forehead.
No.
Why? Hello.
What's your name again?
Can you guess?
Boyfly? Or what's your name?
My name is
Boyfly.
Brad Pitt. It's a big tattoo, right? It took quite some time.
Yes. Hello, Boyfly.
Yes,
Yeah,
hi.
Yes, Boyfly, come say hello.
This is a happy
Caster.
caster.
Yes.
Can you write happy caster? Good to see you all here. Another IRL streamer.
Our steamer.
Walking
In
around,
town, walking around.
relaxing, chilling.
Relaxing, chilling.
Yes. And you just do the tattoo. Just wait here.
Yes.
I'm gonna go see my friend.
Him gonna go see him friend now.
Yes. Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Okay, bye bye.
Good to see you here.
Good to
Bye-bye,
see you also.
bye-bye.
Bye bye.
But if I get a tattoo, I'm not gonna get any tattoo, man. Sausage. No sausage.
Let's meet.
Just meat. Mario said there will be sausage.
Yeah, finished already.
Finish?
Yeah, you want? You want some?
Do you have some?
Yeah, I have some.
Where's Mario?
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs.
อยู่ในกล่องมีไหม
Yes, sausage. Sausage. Oh yes. Okay, only one. Last time he was in jail. Yeah.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah. They got the wrong guy. Mario is innocent. He's a good person. He's we eat bad. No, don't do that. Yeah.
เอาเผยมาใส่ละนี่นะลูก
Do you like sausage?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Do you like sausage? No. Why? What's wrong with sausage?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't like.
So you like to drink beer?
Nothing wrong, but not the kind of food I like.
Oh, burning.
Not good.
Smoking hot.
I keep calm, man.
Yes. Keep calm and smoke weed. But I know you don't smoke weed.
No,
Never. It's bad, really bad.
how I can stop it, I never stop
Where are you from? Where you
it.
from?
Kind of cough, huh?
Yeah, he from
Pattaya,
Thailand.
You see a very small nose and my mouth. From north, they look a little bit, they're more cold.
Where are you from? You look like you from United States of America.
Come on.
You look like Kim Kardashian.
Where you go? With him? Already? Okay. Up to you. You want to go where? You want? But you can also stay here and drink like relaxing. Lady boy or lady? Ask.
Ask her.
You like lady smoking so much?
Not really.
Not really. But when she smoke coke, it's okay.
Coke, yeah, Coca-Cola, that's okay. Yes, Coca-Cola. I'm a family-friendly stream.
แม่ฝนตก
Cucumber.
ลองเทนี้นะ
Cucumber.
โอ้หมาโอ้
Oh.
Why you want to drink him?